What tools are needed for sphygmomanometer calibration? Have you ever wondered how healthcare professionals ensure that blood pressure measurements are accurate? Well, it all starts with proper calibration of the sphygmomanometer. Let's take a closer look at the tools needed for this important process. To begin with, you will need a reference pressure standard. This can be a mercury sphygmomanometer or a calibrated digital manometer. This device acts as the benchmark to compare readings and verify accuracy. Next, a pressure source is essential. You can use a hand bulb or a syringe pump to generate and control pressure within the cuff system. This allows you to create the necessary conditions for testing the sphygmomanometer. You will also need tubing and connectors. These components link the sphygmomanometer to the pressure source and the reference device. Having the right connections is vital for accurate readings. Another handy tool is pliers or a small wrench. These are used to adjust the needle indicator on aneroid gauges if needed. Sometimes, a little tweak is all it takes to ensure precision. A stable surface or a vice grip is also important. This helps hold the gauge steady during adjustments, preventing any movement that could affect the calibration process. While not mandatory, a calibration kit can be quite helpful. This kit may include a pressure meter, syringe pump, and tubing specifically designed for blood pressure device calibration. Having these tools can make the process smoother. For digital sphygmomanometers, the calibration process involves connecting cables and software interfaces. This links the device to a computer or calibration system. You will still need a calibrated pressure source and reference manometer to compare and adjust the digital readings. Additionally, manufacturer-specific calibration tools or software are often required for low, middle, and high-pressure range calibrations. The calibration process itself involves generating known pressures and comparing the sphygmomanometer readings against the reference standard. If there are discrepancies, adjustments are made or correction factors noted to ensure measurement errors ranges within acceptable limits, typically plus or minus 3 millimeters of mercury or better. Regular calibration is essential. Even small errors can lead to misdiagnosis or mismanagement of hypertension. To maintain accuracy, calibration should be performed at least annually or more frequently for devices used heavily in clinical settings. By using the right tools and following these steps, healthcare providers can ensure that their sphygmomanometers provide accurate blood pressure measurements, which is vital for effective hypertension management.